Hello everyone, welcome to another video in our Cloud CTF tutorial series. In this video we're going to be covering how to manage teams within the Cloud CTF environment. So we're going to click Start into our Cloud CTF and we're going to navigate over to the Admins tab. Within the Admins tab we're going to go to Teams, and first let's create a new team. So in order to create a new team we click on the plus symbol and we give the team a name. We're going to call this new team, and we're going to confirm that. Perfect. So we now have a new team, but it doesn't have any players on it. So let's add a new player to the team. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go look at our current list of players. So as we see, we have player 2, the test instructor, which is the current account I'm signed into, and the test player. Let's move test player over to new team. So to do that, we're going to click on the cog symbol here. We're going to click edit, and we're going to change the team to new team. Now we can confirm that change. And now we can see that test player is on new team. Alright, so now let's demo how to delete a team. Let's say I no longer wanted to use this new team anymore. So in order to delete it, what I would do is go to the Teams tab. I'm going to click on this gear icon over to the left of new team, and I'm going to click on delete. And we can confirm that if we know we want to get rid of new team. Perfect. So now a new team is deleted, but the question is what happens to test player who was on new team? Well, let's go ahead and see what happens. So because we've removed test player from new team, test player is no longer assigned to a team. So we're going to want to get them assigned to one of the other teams in order for test player to continue playing. So we're going to click on this gear icon here and click edit. We're going to navigate over to the team drop-down box, and we're going to reassign test player to a different team. In this case, we're going to assign them to team test player. And we can go ahead and hit confirm. And there we go. Team player has been reassigned to team test player. So this covers just about everything we need to know to do some team management and move players around, create and delete teams. I hope you found this useful, and we hope to see you in the next video.